Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I make a bank transfer to Revolut? I know that a lot of people are interested in using Revolut, but they're not sure how to get their money into their account. So, I'm here to help you out with that. What is Revolut? Before we get into the details of how to make a bank transfer to Revolut, let's take a quick look at what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, a current account, and a personal loan. Revolut is available in over 35 countries around the world, and it has over 15 million users. One of the biggest benefits of using Revolut is that it's free to join and there are no monthly fees. You can also use Revolut to send and receive money internationally, and you can get a good exchange rate when you convert currencies. How to make a bank transfer to Revolut. Now that you know a little bit about Revolut, let's get into the details of how to make a bank transfer to your account. There are two ways to make a bank transfer to Revolut. Using the Revolut app. The easiest way to make a bank transfer to Revolut is to use the Revolut app. Here's how to do it. Open the Revolut app. Tap on the Cards tab. Tap on the Add Money button. Select Bank Transfer. Enter your bank details. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer. Once you've confirmed the transfer, the money will be transferred to your Revolut account within a few minutes. Using your online banking. You can also make a bank transfer to Revolut using your online banking. Here's how to do it. Log into your online banking account. Find the Transfer Money or Pay Bills section. Enter Revolut's bank details. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer. Once you've confirmed the transfer, the money will be transferred to your Revolut account within a few minutes. Important things to note. When making a bank transfer to Revolut, you will need to provide your Revolut account number and sort code. You can find these details in the Revolut app. Bank transfers can take up to 2 to 3 working days to complete. There may be a fee charged by your bank for making a bank transfer. Making a bank transfer to Revolut is easy and convenient. You can do it using the Revolut app or your online banking. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.